Ever wondered why bees are drawn to certain flowers? It's not just the vibrant colors or sweet nectar. Bees have a secret love for electric fields. Yes, flowers emit tiny electric signals that bees can sense. These signals help bees determine which flowers are worth visiting. It's like a neon sign saying, "Fresh nectar here." This quirky fact makes bees nature's little electricians, buzzing around to find the best floral deals. Next time you see a bee, remember it's not just about the scent or color, it's about the electric vibes.